Hello, my name is Jacob and it's unjabunja.com, and today I want to talk about tea, which is different than usual. Because right now we have a summer and of course we don't want to drink so much of warm water, warm things, warm drinks like teas and this kind of, this is why people drink espresso, because they don't want to drink hot things, but still they want to have a coffee power, and this is how espresso was born. But in the terms of tea, what we can do to enjoy tea, and there is one answer, and this is something which is called in Japanese MIZUDAShi. So in general, it's a cold brew with water and with the green tea, and we can do it in a very nice and simple way. But first, I want to tell you what kind of tea we can use. Because as you can see, I'm not doing today tea with you, because we need some time to make it ready. And the most easy way to do it, but it's not the only one way, but for me it's the easiest way, is just to go and prepare tea before sleeping time. And after I woke up, whatever, we can take the tea from our fridge and we can enjoy it in a very nice and interesting sweet taste green tea cold drink. So how it tastes and how we should to do it, we should to use soft water. In Japan, soft water is in a tap, but in general I would recommend to use a water softener or some kind of filtering to make water more soft, to make it a little bit more like Japanese water. And after that, of course, if you want, you can cook it. It depends how you like to drink water. You can buy the water, but boil it. And we just put 10 grams, between 10 and 15 grams of tea per 1 liter of water. And after we are putting it inside, later we are just storing it into the fridge for like 7 hours when you sleep. And I found out that 7 hours is very good for like achieving the very good flavor, taste and aroma from this kind of cold brew green tea. And any kind of tea is actually good, because you can play with many teas, and it's very interesting that from many different teas you have a very different style cold brew. So I think it's very funny. Actually, it's a lot of fun to do it, and I still recommend you to try. And it's a very good healthy drink for summer, because we have green tea benefits. It's very cold. It's very nice taste, and we are drinking it from this kind of I don't know, this kind of glass. I don't know what is this. It's like a wine glass or a champagne glass, I guess. It's more like champagne. And when we have this kind of glass, which we're supposed to use for wine, we can enjoy a tea in a very similar way. So look for a color, it's very nice. It looks like gyokuro actually, but it's just shincha, and it's actually not high quality shincha. So yeah, I will show you how it tastes. Cheers. Smell is very nice, full of umami and full of like green tea freshness. Like, it's actually interesting that cold brew sometimes maybe actually giving a much better brew liquor than classical brewing, but people actually don't know it and don't use it, and this is why you should definitely try. Oh, it's very refreshing, and umami taste is very strong. I mean, smell and taste. I did not enough of tea, I guess, because actually, to be honest, I didn't put like on a white. Yesterday I was going to sleep late and I just had no time to measure a proper amount of tea for water. So it's like maybe not enough of tea for this amount of water, but it's still very tasty. And cheers, and I hope you can try it by yourself. So have a nice day and see you next time.